Today I'm going to teach you how to change your Calendly link URL. This is particularly useful if you want to personalize your scheduling links to make them more professional or easier to remember for your clients and colleagues. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to calendly.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. After signing in, you'll land on your Calendly homepage where you can manage all your scheduling settings and events. Now look towards the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select My Link. This is where you'll be able to customize your main Calendly profile URL, which is the foundation for all your event links. You'll now see a field where you can input your new profile link. Take a moment to think about what URL would work best for your brand or personal identity. Once you've decided, type in your desired link and click Save Changes. This update will apply to your overall Calendly profile, making it more recognizable and professional. After saving, navigate to the left side of your screen and click Back to Home. This will return you to your main dashboard where you can see all your active events and scheduling options. Next, click on a specific event that you want to customize. When you do this, more detailed information about that event will appear on the right side of your screen. This is where you can fine-tune the settings for individual events beyond just your main profile link. In the Event Details panel, find and click on More Options. This will open up additional customization features that aren't immediately visible in the standard view. From the expanded menu, click on Booking Page Options. This section gives you control over how your booking page looks and functions, including the specific URL slug for this particular event. You'll see a field where you can edit the slug for your event. The slug is the part of the URL that comes after your main profile link and identifies this specific event type. Go ahead and change it to something that clearly describes the event or makes it easier for your invitees to understand what they're booking. Once you've made your changes, click Save Changes to confirm the update. Give it a moment to process and save your new settings. Now, to verify that your changes have taken effect, click Copy Link on that event. Open a new tab in your browser and paste the link into the address bar. Hit Enter, and you'll be able to see your newly customized Calendly link in action with all the changes you just made. And that's it. You've successfully customized both your main Calendly profile URL and your individual event links. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.